The all-new Volkswagen Tiguan has been totally revamped, both on the exterior and on interior. This is the R-Line model. Let me show you what it looks like on the inside. The inside has also been modernized with this huge infotainment screen, beautiful ambient lighting, nice leather seats that are heated and cooled, and they have functionality for massaging, which really works very well. But the big change is that the transmission shifter is moved to the stalk over here on the right hand side, so it's made a lot of space here on the inside. This control controls the volume. If you press it, it controls the drive modes, and then if you flick it like this, it controls the atmospheres, which is also a new feature. Those are like atmospheres for specific driver and the mood that you feel in. So you can have me, minimal, energetic, joy, or lounge. What do you guys think about the new Tiguan? Let me know about it. I quite like it.